Still lots to come. We're going to go straight into the spotlight now on some leading innovators in their sector, with the focus on some of the most advanced technologies transforming fintech. So we've got synthetic data, AI and automation, blockchain, Web3. They're all terms and technologies that I say we, you, know, but how are they being applied to fintech? Well, now we're going to find out. We have three brilliant speakers who are going to showcase the technology they believe is delivering rapid transformation. Each of them has got 5 minutes to present their case and show you the impact they're all making. It's not like Dragon's Den. We don't have to vote or clap or give them a cash prize. We're just wanting to hear their stories and the fantastic work they're doing. So, first, I would like to welcome Bryn Coulthard, Chief Product and Technology Officer at the Smart Data Foundry, which is a spin-out of the University of Edinburgh, safely unlocking the power of financial data. Bryn.
Good afternoon. I'm Bryn Coulthard, Chief Product and Technology Officer at Smart Data Foundry, and today I want to talk to you about how you can use synthetic data to help ignite your innovation. I think you'll all agree that data is key to innovation within financial services, but it's not always all that straightforward. I'd like you to ask yourself the question, what issues do you have when you're using data? Now let's think about, imagine you didn't have to worry about GDPR, privacy, or security concerns. Imagine you could freely share your data with internal and external partners. Imagine your data was not blighted by bias or plagued by legacy issues. Fortunately, there is an answer for this problem, and that is synthetic data. SDF believes synthetic data has got a key role to play within innovation. Synthetic data is essentially artificial data, data about people, entities, and events that doesn't contain any real-world data, making it ideal to use in a world of GDPR and other such challenges. Synthetic data is not new, but has been growing rapidly over the last few years, driven by the increases in compute power and advances in AI and machine learning. Gartner currently have synthetic data both at the top of their hype cycle for AI and hype cycle for data security in 2022, showing the level of interest in the capability. At Smart Data Foundry, we believe synthetic data can help propel your innovation driven by two key areas. Firstly, it helps you address your privacy and confidentiality issues. Considerations around the ethics of using customer data, the ability to share that data, and the disclosure risk if you do share that data make personal data very hard to use within an innovation, and quite rightly so. Similarly, your company confidential information creates similar challenges while not constrained by the same legislation. That's definitely not the type of data you want to be sharing and with a lack of control with external partners. The other main area where synthetic data comes in is helping you with your data quality issues. Your real data that you hold about your customers is likely to be plagued by bias, either from historic data models or business models, significant data gaps and legacy issues. Quite often the volume would be insufficient, or you might not even have any data if you're trying to, for example, innovate into a new space where you don't currently operate. So to address these challenges, Smart Data Foundry have developed ISIL, our synthetic data engine. It's based on agent-based modeling approach to synthetic data, which means that no real data is required in the generation of our synthetic data. This makes it ideal to support your innovation, reducing the need for real data and allowing you to get focused on developing your new products and maximizing your opportunities within the market. ISIL synthetic data helps you accelerate your speed to market, connect your problem solvers both internally and externally from your organization, helps you obtain clarity and fast feedback when the path ahead is uncertain. ISIL data sets are aligned to industry opportunities, free from data quality and privacy issues. I'm going to finish now just talking a little bit about some work we've been doing with an early stage fintech to bring to life the work you can do with synthetic data. We were contacted by an early stage fintech who were looking to develop a kind of step change in identity matching as part of their customer proposition. They asked us if they could give them a data set that would replicate what customer identities looked like across multiple organizations. If you think about how many places you've got accounts, you've got information, whether you're Bryn Coulthard today or Brian Coulthard tomorrow or all the various other things I've been called in the past. So, they were looking for a data set that would help them develop their proposition, prove their business model, and develop their ML. So using ISO, we developed 100,000 individuals with an average of 10 variations on each individual, creating over 1 million records of data for the fintech to develop their business, both their business model and help develop and test their machine learning algorithms. To do this, this data included complex family relationships, so whether there's two Bryn Coulthards in the household, there's one father, one son. We replicated house moves within the data, so how do you follow the same person across multiple addresses? And the kind of classic data issues, whether it's the fat fingers when you're typing in or kind of genuine data capture issues. All of this allowed the fintech to replicate how they would match real addresses in the real world and help develop and test and tune their models. All of this was built with a ground truth validation data, so they knew what the real data was or the matched data was, and that's something that wouldn't happen if you were doing this with real data. So whether you're a fintech looking to prove your business model or a bank or regulator looking to collaborate with third parties, Smart Data Foundry have the data to help you with your innovation through off-the-shelf, customized and bespoke data sets. And we'd love you to come visit us at our stand over the next couple of days and we can talk about it more. Thank you.
Fabulous. Thanks, Bryn. Right, next up, please welcome Gareth Cleverly, Sales Director at Wealth99, the world-leading new wealth platform. Gareth.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're well. Long day. We're nearly done. I'll be quick, I promise. So first of all, I am Gareth Cleverly, as I've just been introduced. I'm the Director of New Business and Education for Wealth99. At Wealth99, we consider ourselves to be the safest and securest, simple way to invest and use digital assets. Today, I want to very, very briefly, I've only got 4 minutes, 30 seconds remaining, to explain how working with us, using a business that relies on blockchain technology to provide its clients with a service doesn't have to be scary or unsafe. And hopefully, to show you that there is a different way, and in my opinion, a better way. Of course, I've got a disclaimer. We sell crypto, so this is not a financial advice. Please don't constitute it as, and please conduct your financial advisor. Let's move on from that one, because that's boring. So, until recently, we were known as DAXI, Digital Asset Community Exchange. However, DAXI does still exist. We just have to separately split out our brands to identify the different areas in which we specialize. DAXI, the reason for that is DAXI is its own utility token that is on the cusp of changing the world of crowdfunding around the world. It's a crowdfunding token that will interconnect crowdfunding platforms around the world to use blockchain technology for peer-to-peer lending. So if you want any more information about our coin or specifically, come and speak to me privately because that's a whole different story. A little bit about Wealth99. Wealth99 is on a mission to be the leading new wealth platform. We are here to help everyday investors enter the world of digital alternative assets in a comfortable and, most importantly, in my opinion, supportive way. Something that's currently, in most cases, very alien to the world of digital assets. It's quite scary and convoluted. We believe that with a wealth-building mindset, well, let's be honest, there's not a more profitable investment asset class that sits on the planet today. Therefore, it's a no-brainer to include the likes of Bitcoin into your investment portfolio. Again, not financial advice. So I go back to the disclaimer. An interesting fact for you, from 2011 to 2021, the average annual return was around 230%. We encourage our clients to embrace volatility because wealth-building long-term mindset is the key to traders who are to buyers of cryptocurrency who are not everyday traders. So why use Wealth99? Safety and security is the first and best topic in our opinion, the key to trust and confidence. We are all scared of the unknown. In most cases, what we know about an industry is what we see in the news or through fifth-hand stories, never really providing any real facts or in most cases any real truths, something that makes my job even more difficult on a daily basis. Thank you, mainstream media. However, this is understandable. We want to flip this narrative on its head and provide the safest platform and the securest environment to allow access to this ever-growing, profitable, and world-changing asset class with no questions left unanswered for our client base. We look after your assets, we custody them, providing them in cold storage, and we never will ever use your assets to trade with ourselves or mix your money and assets with our own. We offer a simple, intuitive platform. From the look and feel of our newly designed platform, it's not like other exchanges that are specifically designed for specialist professional day traders. And let's be honest, they're very daunting to navigate. You can easily buy and sell the assets we offer in seconds, and we only offer 18 assets, of which there are 25 or more thousand, because most of them aren't very good. I'll pause at that bit. Ooh, did he just say that? I did. We offer a different fee structure, making sure your assets of choice are aligned with our long-term mindset, use cases, currencies, cryptocurrencies that have underlying businesses that drive revenue. VIP human service. This is very, very rare in this industry. We offer a real human support. Believe it or not, it's quite weird, we really do care about what you're buying. So we give you someone to talk to, and even make it easier, most importantly, providing peace of mind. Like I said a few slides ago, no questions left unanswered before you buy the asset of choice. We find that this feature of Wealth99 alone is more valued than even custody, believe it or not, from a survey we did with our clients. Tax-efficient solutions and tax software integration. We integrate with some of the key players in tax software, Coinly as an example, and we offer 2 unique ways to invest without the need for that dreaded capital gain tax bill. Again, all fully HMRC compliant. We are a wealth platform, so maximizing profits is a standard feature that we should offer and provide our clients. Capital gains tax and crypto is something that can be helped. Education and information. We are a member of CPD. We want to help the industry move forward. The blockchain industry in general, but specifically those who deal with digital assets and tokenization, either personally or professionally. We are members of CPD and provide detailed educational content, not only to our clients, but to the financial professional industry, to better understand all aspects of this industry for their own purposes. That's it. It's 5 minutes. That was quick. Very quick run through of what we are and what we do. Look, if I was to discuss the blockchain business, I could probably spend all day up here, but I've only got 5 minutes as per the owners. So please, that's my LinkedIn profile with the QR code. Please connect with me for any questions specifically. I'll be milling around for the next half an hour before I go and get a large glass of wine, maybe 7 or 8. If you have any questions, just pop across. I am here all day tomorrow as well if you want to come and have a chat. Or just navigate Wealth99 and get in touch with one of us or our team. I really thank you very much for your time today, and you're nearly finished, I promise.
Great. Yeah. Gareth, thank you. Right, last but not least, in this sort of spotlight tech tour, we've got Hema Gandhi now, CEO of Latent, a global intelligent automation firm with a market-leading pay-as-you-go SaaS platform. So over to Hema.
Hello. Glad to be here. My name is Hema Gandhi. I'm the CEO of Latent. We make automation accessible to enterprises. We established this business 5 years back. We saw that organizations were struggling to scale their automation, and they could not see the return on investment that they had expected as they started their journey. So we brought in our automation products. We believe in automation as a holistic strategy for transformation and for the growth of an enterprise. So we've developed a process discovery tool which automates and assesses the processes, an implementation platform which is SaaS and pay-as-you-go, and we have built out certain automation products which are industry specific. So one such product that I'm going to talk about is Sets. But before we go there, I just want to go through the industry challenges that are facing the capital markets industry. So we all know that banks have operations team involved in trade settlements. About 12% of trades fail to settle, and there are manual activities associated with it due to trade investigations, as well as the manual matching of trades. And there are penalties attached, CSDR penalties attached if trades don't match on the due date. Now, about 27% of these trades are failing because of errors and delays in the matching instructions. Now, earlier this year, SEC had mandated and regulated US banks to bring in T+1 settlements, which means that the trades are to be settled the same day. And this is bound to come in UK and Europe. However, over 50% of European and APAC firms have not yet built out their plans because of technical and operational challenges. So here's the product that we built out. By the way, this product was built a year and a half back, and now the banks are mandated to start and build out T+1 settlement. So we are seeing a huge amount of traction. So SETS helps to automate the pre-matching instruction and provides that single point of control where you can have all of your analytics around trade settlements. Now, without taking much time, I'm going to show you the video.
Financial institutions spend more than $20 billion on trade processing every year. Yet, about 12% of all security settlements fail. For several reasons, like the lack of pre-matching instructions, liquidity and funding issues, data inaccuracies, and manual errors. The process of handling failed trades is manual and time-consuming, and often requires email and phone interactions among participants and across multiple systems. Introducing SETS Automated Pre-Matching by Latent Bridge. SETS is an automated pre-matching product that reduces settlement fails and provides the operations team and capital market firms with a single point of control and management for trade settlements. Our settlements pre-matching enables a faster, accurate, and scalable deployment by identifying unmatched trades with fail reasons and generating pre-matching confirmation, generating and tracking automated communications, enabling counterparties to resolve exceptions in real time, configuring pre-matching business rules and runtime schedules across global markets, counterparties, depots, and currencies, delivering secure API-based integrations to trade and counterparty information, providing an integrated command center to monitor and resolve exceptions across SWIFT and non-SWIFT markets, proprietary SSIs and BICs, and getting deep insights into the settlement's discipline and efficiency. With flexible deployment options, SETS is light touch, enables rapid go live, and has a transaction-based pricing model with pay-as-you-go. SETS delivers 80% reduction in manual efforts, 2 times faster communication with counterparties, and 100% coverage of counterparty monitoring. Reduce settlement fails, minimize operational risks, and have complete oversight over your pre-matching process. With Latent Bridges, SETS Automated Pre-Matching.
Great. Thank you. I'll be around if there are any questions, but happy to answer on SETS. Thank you.